Baby, I need your love. Baby, I need your love from me. It's you that I'm thinking of. Tell me what is it going to.
Alright, y'all. What's good? It's your girl, Ching.
Y'all already know it's your boy Ace.
And we are back, y'all. We are about to prank the kids. And the prank we're about to do is the mayonnaise for ice cream prank. Ooh. So they're in their room cleaning up right now. Dang. Thinking that they're about to get some ice cream after. So we're gonna see what happens.
Ice cream.
I got a feeling that
ice cream.
I got a feeling they both probably still gonna eat it.
You think
and
so?
like it.
You know what? They might just smash it.
I don't know. Alright, the cone's right there, man. I can't reach them.
Where they at?
Right there. In the middle. So we got the sugar.
Hot needle and shit.
We got the
got the actual, you know. Got the cones.
Got the cones. I put the mayo in the freezer. So I'm opening up this mayo.
Damn.
Oh, they what?
They're all crusted.
Not all of them.
Need two good ones. That one's no good. That one's no good either.
Got her two cones.
Hey, turn up.
Okay.
That one can be for mom and dad. Nah, I'm just playing.
I put the ice cream. I said the ice cream. I put the
mayo. Say where the ice cream at?
I put the mayo in the freezer so that it'll be like harder.
Look at Ching's face. Evil face. Whoa.
I think that looks good. What you think?
Oh yeah.
I think that's good. Because that's usually about how much ice cream we give them. Alright.
Good.
Your turn.
Oh, so there ain't no ice cream at all going in this? I thought we was gonna mix it.
No.
Oh. Wow. Alright. Maybe we should freeze it a little bit more.
No.
Put it in the cone and then freeze it?
No, I did freeze it some.
Oh, okay.
It's mayo. It's probably not going to get that hard.
Yeah.
Here go Ace going in.
Yeah, you know. I will be calling.
I know, right? They gonna love this, y'all. Make it look real nice. One more? Yeah, that look good.
Oh yeah.
You think that's good? You
yours just look real. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just look real.
Okay.
There it is.
Get it. Okay.
There it is.
Alright, there we go. So we both got our cones. Alright.
There it is. I got my
Cheers.
ice cream cone.
Cheers.
I got my ice cream cone.
Cheers. Okay.
I got my ice cream cone.
Now let's call the boys in.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
What?
Pull that away first.
Oh.
You like, yeah, it's called in there. And we ain't putting none of the stuff today. As you guys can see, this is a brand new mayonnaise too. Alright,
You ready? Keno and Major! Y'all ready for your ice cream? Come on, come get your ice cream. Hold on, don't eat it yet.
Oh, wait.
Hold up.
Wait.
Go ahead, hold it.
Gotta hold it, man.
Say cheese first. Cheese. Say cheese. Is it good? It's gonna be good? All right, let's go. Let's eat.
Go eat fast. Eat fast. Eat real fast.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll eat it. Hurry up and eat it. Gotta eat. Gotta go fast. Eat it. Just like you know, like a monster.
It's good? Are you lying?
Yeah.
You're like,
What it tastes like?
Something ain't right about this.
Cheese.
It tastes like cheese?
Cheese?
Yeah.
No, I mean the same family. Milk.
It's cheese ice
Yeah,
cream.
you're right about that.
Oh, that's cheese ice cream?
Cheese ice cream? Oh, that's pretty good.
Alright, cool.
Go ahead. Make sure eat it up, man.
Look, he won't even put his mouth on there.
Woo!
You guys want to know something that's funny?
Yeah.
You want to know why it don't taste right?
Come on, man.
Because I think we let it melt a little bit or something.
Yeah, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you see it? It's all melty and stuff. Look good, don't it? Yeah, it's good, ain't it? Yeah, the cheese.
Why y'all not eating it
Ain't
then?
it good? Here, you gotta bite something. Just bite, take a bite.
Let's go. Let's go.
Bite it. Y'all bite it.
Come on, baby,
how
you can
y'all
do
bite
it.
Y'all bite it like that. Go ahead, hurry up so you get some more. You want some strawberry one? Yeah, bite it. No, y'all bite it, bro. Bite it.
Bite it, pizza.
Bite it. Bite it, Kino. Show them. You gotta bite it. There you go. No, bite the cone. Bite the whole cone. Bite the whole cone. Bite it.
They don't want that. Alright, y'all.
Well, we got something to tell y'all.
Mommy and Daddy just pranked y'all.
Pranked each y'all.
We pranked you!
He's like, so I'm just gonna keep
Look at
eating
Kino
it.
like, yeah, they pranked us, y'all.
Look, Major like, yeah, so I knew something was wrong with
Look,
this.
man, it's mayonnaise, y'all. How you feel? You mad?
He like, this ain't ice cream.
How do you feel, Kino?
He like, what the heck is this?
Alright, we got some
You know,
real
like-
ice cream for y'all. Here.
Oh, man, that was funny.
Here.
That
Alright, I'm
was
gonna give y'all
funny.
some real ice cream, okay? Y'all can throw that in the garbage.
Throw it in the garbage.
Oh, don't go from here. Oh, just sit it right there. Sit that right there. Yep. Lay it on the counter.
Forgot that wasn't on.
That ice cream.
Yeah. Oh,
So we about to give them
what is that?
a Klondike,
Oh,
okay?
Klondike.
I'm only gonna give them half though because this will melt all over the place if it was up to them. Y'all ready for y'all real ice cream now?
Yeah.
Here you go. Take your piece. Take your
This
piece.
ice cream.
Yeah. Look, he like this ice cream? Oops. There's a cookie. I knew she was gonna get it.
Did we got one, babe? I want one too.
You want one to do that?
They're good.
Hey, bro. I want one too. You feel me? Ooh, that's what I got.
Alright, I'm gonna get one to go. Y'all, we pranked them. It was funny. It was hilarious. They look so cute. They still Kino still try to act like he liked it. Knowing he didn't like it, y'all. So, we about to head up to the shop now. Got some more stuff in store for y'all.
Stop.
Huh?
Ice cream.
How that ice cream taste, Major?
Ice cream.
It tastes like ice cream? Okay.
Good.
We love y'all as usual, as always. And we will holler at y'all in our next video.
Yeah, I'm over here
Bye.
smashing.
Video. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Video.
Baby, I need